Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So I did a poll on my YouTube page and also Instagram asking you guys if you guys wanted another updated brow tutorial, and also I wanted to do this because I'm signed up on influenster, and if you don't know, I have a video on like a little bit of what it is. I'll leave the link somewhere above here, and also I have an old eyebrow tutorial, so I'll also put the iCard somewhere above here or down in the description box below. So I have influencer, and I received one of their one of their box, and it was the benefit one. So I received the benefit precisely my brow pencil. This is how the packaging looks like, and I got it in, it has it here somewhere. I received it in 3.5, so it ends up being medium, I believe. So this is how the card looks like in the back. And supposedly, well, 3.5, it's new, and it's neutral medium brown. It's still in between like light and dark brown, which, I mean, I guess it's everyone's preference on what you want your eyebrows to be. So I actually already tried out this product, and I didn't record it, but if you follow me on my Snapchat, that's somewhere where you guys, if I'm not here on my YouTube channel, then you guys can see more of my daily life and reviews of whatever products I end up trying them. So this is how the product looks like. I mean, I think it's pretty cute, like the packaging and all that. In the back it says 3.5. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, it's super thin. Let me see if you guys can see that. Like, it's super thin, and I believe it says somewhere in here, it says ultra fine brow shaping defining pencil with unbreakable tip that draws incredibly natural hairs-like strokes. Now available in 8 shades. So you can get this in 8 shades. And one thing I do have to tell you guys, it is breakable. I was doing my eyebrows the other day, and the tip broke. So I would say the tip is not unbreakable, or it is breakable, I mean. And then on the other side, it has the spoolie, and I think the spoolie does its job. It does blend pretty easily. I tried wiping it with like my finger, and no product came in my in my finger, because it does say that it's 12 hours wear and it's waterproof. So if you guys, I don't know, want me to do a more further test if it is waterproof and if it will smudge and all that, leave on the comment section below saying that you guys would like to see a video like that. But yeah, let's begin with our eyebrows. So with every time of trying a new product, I usually just use that product and then to like try making myself a new eyebrow routine. So let's begin. So you can tell that I have like, my eyebrows are not done. So I'm going to start with this one, and I start at the bottom and I start drawing like a outline, and then take it how far you want to take it. In the front, you want to start making like hair strokes, however you call it. And like I wanted to fade more lightly towards the front. And then I start at front, I start brushing my eyebrows upwards. Then right here, I just start brushing my eyebrows down. So hopefully you guys can see this pretty well, and I apologize if the lighting is not as good. It's already getting dark outside. Well, not dark, but there's not much light coming into my room. But I wanted to get this video over with. So can you tell a difference on this eyebrow? Obviously, you know, I'm doing this one and this one. Oops. This one still doesn't have any product. So yeah. So I'm going to grab a Q-tip, and I already did my makeup, like my face foundation. So instead of going in with concealer, since it's more white, I'm just going to use foundation. And I'm using the Sassy Chick Moisturizing Foundation in dark. So there's not much cleaning that I have to do. Okay, so now let's go with the other eyebrow. So you can go as much as you want. On this eyebrow, I feel like I have to make it thicker because I don't know, like this eyebrow always comes out the best, or usually the best. I mean, you do want to make it look more on the natural side. When they say that a product makes your eyebrows look more natural, I mean, they kind of do, but you can tell you have product in your eyebrows. Shoot. Getting foundation or concealer in my eyebrows. But this is what you do. Just grab the spoolie and blend out the foundation. I apologize if you guys hear noise. Okay, so I am done, guys. So I did buy a new product also. It's from e.l.f. and it's a e.l.f. Tinted moisturizer or tinted brow tint. In medium, so I'm going to use a little bit of this to kind of set it, and this is how small this is. So to highlight the brow bone, I'm going to use a little bit of the highlight from this e.l.f. palette. And there you guys go. This is the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick eyebrow tutorial. I really wanted to do this video for you guys. I know it's nothing like, I don't know, big, but I hope you guys learned something out of this, and just seeing for yourself if you guys want to purchase the Precisely My Brow Pencil. I think this is going to be my new favorite eyebrow product to use. So yeah, if you guys want to be part of the influencer, don't forget to subscribe, sign up for it, and hopefully you guys like it. And it says you can download the influencer app on Google Play and App Store. Hopefully you can see that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Yesenia, but I go by yessimperfect. And don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and remember that we're all beautiful in our own way, and don't let anyone treat you or make you feel any less. Bye guys.